Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the epitome of elegance and relaxation in Tryall Gardens, next to Tryall Golf Club in Hanover, with sea views, 9 beds, 6 baths, 3 powder rooms, private entrances, and balconies. This villa offers privacy and luxury. Rooftop soaking pool adds to the charm. There is a golf and tennis at Tryall Club and the beach nearby. Indulge in local eateries or upscale dining at Roundhill Hotel. Activities like dolphin encounters, horseback riding, zip lining are 5 minutes away. Montego Bay is a 20 minutes drive with easy access to Negril's coastal wonders, ideal for income generation or a retreat. Paradise awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.